Welcome back to the bench, guys. I've got something here. The new Hobby Boss Devastator. I really wanted this kit, but it is a little pricey, and I typically don't spend much on kits, as I am still what I consider to be my beginner days. But I really wanted a Devastator. I don't know why. I just like the look of it. Even though somewhat it was, before its time, it didn't see much success during the war. I still like the look of the kit. And from what I'd seen online, I've heard it was a pretty decent kit. And I popped the top off, and it just looked really nice, so I decided I'll unpack it with you guys. It does come with photo etch, so you got all the bells and whistles here. Well, maybe not all of them, but most kits, unless you get up into this price range, don't just give you the photo etch, maybe besides Edward. But it's pretty cool. It's got some information here. Anyway, I actually have not built a Hobby Boss kit yet. I do have one, but I haven't built it yet. Now, maybe this is just because I'm used to cheaper kits, but this was just nice. So it's got a little bit of backstory here on the plane. It's showing you some of the photo etch stuff, your options. It actually has, you can do the wings folded, which is an option. I don't have any yet. So yeah, some cool, it's just an ad, whatever. Got your instruction booklet here. It's pretty big, pretty long, but looks like your pretty standard fare for good, decent instructions. Paint guide. I do like, this is probably terrible for wartime, but the yellow wings are kind of iconic to the plane. But yeah, for being out at sea, it was probably a terrible idea. Here's your more standard, Pacific color scheme. What's in there? Oh, that's nice. They've got the clear parts in this kind of foam to keep them from getting scratched. That's nice. Here's your photo etch and decals, and stencils, I'm guessing. All these numbers. Sprue with just the unfoldable portion of the wings. But what I didn't realize was how big this was. As you can see, I don't know why we've got two cowlings. Oh, one of them's open. Okay. But as you can see, these sprues are pretty big. We'll peek under here. This is kind of your smaller parts. Look at that, that's for the engine. You get all these detailed parts. We'll put that back in the bag. I'm not sure when I'll get to this kit. Part of me wants to do it next, but it is quite large. Got your cockpit details, or maybe rudder aileron details, or landing gear, I guess, because those are the wheels. Not a lot of flash guides. There is some around these. But not bad, just kind of right there on the end. All new tooling. But yeah, look at the size of this fuselage. At least for me, this is 148. That's about where I max out at, is 1/48 scale. There it is, the big one, the big torpedo. Unfortunately, they they did not detonate like they were supposed to most of the time, at least in the early part of the war where this would have served. Here's kind of your base for your cockpit area. There's all your engine controls. See, I like this when you've got your rudder or your cockpit controls molded, because sometimes the photo etch still looks flat because it's just folded. And then here at the bottom is your wings. The wings are a lot of pieces. And I'm not sure what this ribbed, what the reason for this was. Maybe it was just so it could fly slower. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, this is a pretty detailed kit. It looks really nice, you know, if you want to take your time, which I'm definitely going to do. This is a more detailed build. This is probably the most expensive model I've personally ever purchased for myself. I think the most expensive one I've ever done, my parents actually gave me an F-15 for Christmas. I think that one was a little more. Yeah, it looks packed really nice, guys. Looks like they've taken the extra care even to add some foam for the clear parts, so that's nice. Yeah, all in all, I'm really excited. This is, I guess, probably the newest kit I own because of the tooling. I think this is new this year. But yeah, I was just at the hobby shop today. I had racked up some points to be able to get some money off. I did pick up some paints. I don't know if you really care. Just stuff like some more Tamiya paints. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Has anybody done this kit yet? I'll probably have a little bit of an update on the Lag 3 later, maybe this weekend. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.